Today, I want to do another one on the Render network and the Render token, which is tokenizing GPU compute power in an increasingly AI driven economy. So here's an interesting post from August 13th of 2023 that ChatGPT is in trouble. OpenAI may go bankrupt by 2024, and the AI bot costs 700K each and every day, not including GPT-4 and DALL-E 2. AI cannot expand by way of centralized cloud capacity, and that's where the Render network comes in. And coincidentally enough, Render has been in talks with all of the large AI players in the industry, including Sam Altman of ChatGPT. So this is from Joel Zurbach, who is the CEO, and he is extremely connected in the rendering economy, essentially. This is a history where he confirms even more on that. So he has talked to a lot of large AI players out there, and Render as it is today, it is a good fit for almost all of them. And I'd say about 50%. However, I expect that number to go up as GPUs get more capacity. Training evolves and fine tuning takes over for massive retraining jobs. Also, large token windows change everything about LLMs, like ChatGPT. Try the Bing Web plugin for ChatGPT-4. It can ingest entire chunks of live internet and reason from it without retraining. I'd imagine if you could feed an LLM a URL to a data set after training as an input token, but have it work as well as if it was in the training data. There is a competitive force to get AIs there first with longer token input, and some interesting research around, can't say STs, token input is coming out now. So to just go back on the training part, that is talking about when you create an AI model and you train it to do other things based on that model itself. So if you make one thing, it can use all of that inputs and outputs that you have taught it to expand and to extrapolate into other things. One of the most valuable and rare resources in the world is GPU power. Every 18 months, the GPU demand grows 10x. And as a result, prices of cloud services are becoming massively expensive. But the ultimate solution would be a platform that combines GPU power with AI systems, which is exactly what Render is doing right now. And here's a little bit more on the cloud AI thing.
The infrastructure, right? Render is a really interesting project that's trying to build a completely decentralized, graphical processing infrastructure, right? GPUs essentially. In both of those things, you can quantifiably, economically measure what the value is that people get, right? In the case of Render, you're basically displacing an AWS instance. And so that has a price and a value. And so, for Render to be valuable, there's an economic value.
And here's another example of how this is actually a need right now. This is from April of 2023, and Twitter picked up 10,000 GPUs to help it with its AI efforts, which have now turned into Grok over here on the side.